Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to see 3 ACV drinks for weight loss and to lose belly fat. We are going to use apple cider vinegar and most importantly the mother vinegar. The bottle always ends up in deposits, so you have to shake the bottle before using. Here we are going to prepare 3 different drinks, so I am adding 2 tablespoons in each of the glass. You can take any one of these in empty stomach in the morning. In one glass I am going to add a teaspoon of honey. For the next glass, I am going to add juice of 1 orange. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, so this is an immunity booster too. In the third glass, I am going to add a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, juice of half a lemon. This particular drink is very good for weight loss and helps to reduce the belly fat quickly. Now we have to dilute the drink, so add half a cup of water to each glass. Mix everything well. And apple cider vinegar is very concentrate. Even if you dilute, it may affect your enamel, so you have to use a straw to drink this. And if not straw, find another way to avoid contact with the teeth. Apple cider vinegar is made in 2-step process. Usually the crushed apples are exposed to yeast, which ferments the sugar and turns them into alcohol. Next they add bacteria to ferment the alcohol, turning it into acetic acid. This acetic acid gives the vinegar its strong sour smell and flavor. This organic unfiltered apple cider vinegar is called the mother vinegar, and you have the filtered version also. Filtered is used for salad, and the mother vinegar, which is highly concentrated, is used for weight loss purposes. And if you are aiming for weight loss, you have to use the mother vinegar and not the filtered one. Apple cider vinegar not only helps in weight loss, it reduces cholesterol and lowers your blood sugar level. So even a diabetic patient can have this regularly to control the sugar level. Hope the video was useful. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.